back to another episode of Fishing with Lockie. We're heading out to the WAKOOL River in New South Wales, hoping that the borders are still open. It's going to be a 5 or 6 day trip. We're staying there for 4 nights, I think it is. Hopefully it'll hit up some pretty big yellers, and hopefully, well not hopefully, might even get a carp or two, maybe even a maricod, who knows. The river's gone up about a metre, so apparently that's a disadvantage. I don't think so, because we always catch fish when we go there. We caught, my dad and my stepmum went on the Queen's birthday long weekend. My dad caught one, my stepmum caught one, my pa caught one, my pa's girlfriend caught one, my cousin caught one, my uncle caught one, my other uncle caught 3 yellers. So that was about 11 yellers just in my family for about 3 days. So I reckon we might have a chance. So we're going to have worms, we're going to have cheese, we're going to have shrimp. We're going to see how we go. We're actually at Coles and Safeway right now. We actually spent like $200 something, nearly $300 on food for the weekend. Oh no, for the whole week, I should say. But yeah, I can't wait. Hopefully to hit up some amazing yellers. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so we've left Ballarat. We're now in St Arnaud. We stopped for a wee break, about 2 hours and 20 minutes away from Kyalite. We still got to stop at Swan Hill. Stop at Charlton, stop at Swan Hill. We'll get Macca's from Swan Hill, then we'll head to Blue Sky to get some tackle. But yeah, we'll be at Kyalite in about 2 hours, so we're nearly halfway, but I'm looking forward to it. Okay, so I thought I might take some time to show you the rig and the gear I'm using to try and catch these carp and yellow belly. So I've got my braid line. Got my braid line here with a sinker and a swivel. Yes, it's a bit stuffed up, but I'm going to fix that in a second. I've got the braid attached to one end of the swivel, and then I've got 6-pound blue mono on the other end of the swivel. And then I've got a Gamakatsu circle hook, and you guessed it, it's a worm pancake. That's for these carp. This fishing tip was brought to you by Blue Sky in Swan Hill. Alright, here's my other setup. This is for the yellow belly, and get caught on this one too. So got a running sinker down to a swivel, and then a swivel to 6-pound mono to another circle, a Gamakatsu circle, and a bunch of worms. That's my rig for golden perch and carp. I forgot to do the intro last night. We got here at about 4 o'clock. We set up and went out fishing. I didn't have much, sorry about that cut out there guys, I didn't have much luck, but yeah, I came out for about 2 hours, I got 1 bite and that was it, and I lost one this morning, so I'll try and catch another one, and sorry if I'm not recording crap loads of stuff, because my brother's sprained his, not sprained, I think it's broken, but he's done something to his wrist, and I have to look after him. But yeah, that's my rig for golden perch and carp. Okay everyone, so I just caught a 2.3 kilo carp. Here's a photo of it. It was caught on paternoster with like 3 worms and 2 shrimp or something on it. Pretty good fight. apart from tangling up 4 of the rods that were in the water. That wasn't really nice. But anyway, I caught a fish. I finally caught one. Yes, I didn't catch it on video, but I'm heading out trawling today with these things. Well, not these things, with the boat. And we've got that one over there, and then I've got the baitcaster. Hopefully going to catch yellowbird or a cod with them. Knowing our luck, we'll probably catch a carp, but who knows. But at this stage, I'm hoping to catch one. We're heading back upstream, which is to the right. Which road just went? That one. Here we go. This might be our chance. Here we go. Okay guys, I don't think it's coming back. I'm going to grip myself a stick. I'm going to bring it down here and we're going to try and get some footage of me catching one. But at this stage, I don't think anything else is going to bite. Yes, you might think I've got 1, 2, 3, 5 rods in the water. I'm just looking after them. My dad up there. This one's still asleep. That one's mine. That one's mine. That one's my stepmom's. That one's my dad. Alright. I'm getting some bites now. That's good. Knowing my luck, as soon as I stop this video, one of the rods are going to go. want to start a video. Can't get myself installed. And then we'll try and get some more footage of this. I have to get up here again. I knew that would happen. Right, so they're all our rods. One of them, 3, 4, 5, actually, no, 5 rods. Something like that. I'm just gonna wait for them to go. I'm hoping to catch a yellow belly because it is Carp week. You have to catch a yellow belly. Holy shit, that's a lot of scales in that net. I'm gonna clean all these scales out. That's roughly all of them. That's all of them. I'm having the net close this time because I had the net in the boat. I didn't think I was going to be fishing this morning, but then I did start fishing. Caught. I didn't catch it, but we've seen 2 yellows caught this week. One of them was a kilo. The other one was like 200 grams. But still a keeper though. Alright, I'm going back up to camp and we'll head back down. Alright, so we're over here cutting trees at the moment for a campfire. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm driving a car for the first time. I'm only 13, but I'm out in the bush with sticks and everything around. I'm so excited. So to wait for Dad and his friend. This is a Ford, I love this car. Get one of these. Alright, I'm gonna cut and I'm just gonna wait for them. About that before. I didn't get a chance to because we were literally about to have lunch, and I went wood cutting, and obviously I went out and drove a Ford Ranger, so that was pretty cool. But I'm out here fishing again, hoping to catch another big carp or a small yellow or something. It's pretty quiet at the moment. And we went to this spot about, what time is it now? 8:56. We went to this spot at about 5 o'clock, and we got 2 pretty decent carp. I lost a pretty big carp too, because like I hooked it, I was doing like, it did a tiny bite and then the line went suck. That's all I seen. I didn't even ring the bell. I was just staring at the rod at the right time, or the line, and then yeah, I went over, and the line kept going from loose, back to tight, loose, back to tight, and so on. Did that about 6 times, and I might stuff it. I reckon it's on it. So I yanked it, and then it just went screaming, and it didn't snap or anything. It just, the hook came out. But yeah, I reckon it was a either a carp or a cod, or a big ass yellow. I don't think yellows can do that though. They're lazy buggers. I'm sitting here with my campfire here. And then I've got my rods. Ugh. There's my rods. They're my rods. Yeah, that's it at the moment. Okay guys, I ended up catching this carp. I ended up catching another carp last night. But I didn't get a photo of that because that was take it out of the water, kill, throw back in. That was pretty fast. But I think that brings us to the end of this episode. I'm sorry I didn't get any fish on video, but I'll try to next time. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, see you in the next video.